Can he no start that in him feelings? Could you get snooch if he settle down? Or he give them a hit and run? Him a give.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we'll be covering the highlights of the Spice Army Redbull Culture Clash. Before we get into this video though, please like and subscribe. With that being said, let's get into the video.
We feel like them ready, the Spice.
London!
Magnificent, truly magnificent. An entrance like that is iconic, and if I was on the opposing team, I would be nervous after seeing such an entrance. We're gonna read an article together and then I'll just let you enjoy highlights for the rest of the video. Flowdan, Lil Silver and Stush and Spice Army, led by the Queen of Dancehall herself, Spice, featuring GD, Loyal Squad, Mac 10, Noah Power, Rampage Sound and Richie Feelings. The winning crew compiled dub plates from music legends such as Sting, Giggs and Vybz Kartel. They stunned the crowd with their surprise performances from Chip and DEE. Their crown was taken with back-to-back surprises from the likes of Scraps and Lady Leisure, where the crowd of thousands of Jamaican flags from the crowd went off. On March 8th, a crowd of 10,000 people judged the new reigning champions for UK music, with Spice Army representing Caribbean sounds taking the victory and becoming the winner at Redbull Culture Clash London 2025. After a 4-round sound-off against Voice of the Streets, Native, Homegrown and Spice Army, Spice team came out on top after the crowd went wild in support of the crew representing Jamaica at London's drum sheds. With that being said, people, let's get back to the highlights.
Pull up, Spice. You see this song we're about to play?
There's so much money we spent on this.
You see this song we're about to play? They don't expect you to be playing this song on a dub plate. Listen.
Can he no start that in him feelings? Could you get snooch if he settle down? Or he give them a hit and run? Him a give.
Sing them on.
Spice Army, you a go feel it. Why you a look, you must sit down.
This is for the
Spice
culture.
Army must be gone. We make some dirty song boy run.
Run it out.
Hey, big nursey, better take it serious. You not get a chance, cause we not easy.
Stop. Time ago. Me hear them play some Capeton. That's not.
Culture.
Yeah.
They're doing it the right fucking way.
Yeah.
You know what's the queen of dancehall?
Yeah.
But there's a woman.
Yes.
That started this bomboclad foundation. Who no never see her yet?
Put up your hand in the air. Sing a song like that. Spice, oh, you come here, you not sing for the people.
Drop it. Every man grab a girl. And every girl grab a man. Man to man, girl to girl. When you come in, I'm a ramping. Look, worry. You think of that? Give me something else.
What up? One again. Sing. It's a lover. Everybody go.
Punjabi dub being played at Redbull Culture Clash for Spice Army. It's such a vibe.
Bushkin tried to get Jamaica to disrespect me.
Spice, you say that night there, gonna murder you.
So I went to London and I went into Bushkin house and I got his baby mother to do a dub for me. Bushkin, your baby mother say your lick is small, move your blood clot. Who's next? They're gonna kill off the whole of them bumble clot here tonight. Let me show them how I play their song and kill them. Drop my song right now.
I'm